Welcome back to Mustache Moto. It's Ben, and today's idea is a super simple one. And either it shows my brilliance because of how simple it is, or quite possibly it shows that I'm a bonehead for never having thought of this before. So what's the idea? Well, it's summer, it's hot, I want to get a little more airflow. GS is really good at keeping the airflow off of you, the GSA. So let's ditch these hand guards, right? I mean, I don't think they offer a lot of protection in the woods. They're not real sturdy, but they definitely, I think, cause a lot of air to move around you, to blow it outside of the pocket. So let's take these suckers off. 2 bolts. I mean, literally, what? 1-2 minutes to take them off. And I think I may also get rid of that little plastic air deflector there. I'm thinking that might actually help me get a little more airflow. That's done. I'm going to take these off. We're going to hop on the bike, and we're going to see how much more air I get, see if it's worth taking them off in the summer. And hey, maybe this is a way to make summer just a little bit cooler. So I'm definitely getting much nicer air on the insides of my arms, kind of in here, on my gloves. A little bit up to my shoulders. And it feels pretty good. Go on, go on. So I notice a little bit more turbulence right now behind this guy that I wasn't noticing as much with the winglets and everything on. But so we're up to 75 now. It feels great. I mean, it's really smooth, the airflow. Like I said, a lot of wind on the hands for sure. And I can feel it up in here and a little bit on the outside of my arms. That's air I wasn't getting before for sure. I think this is a winner. Now, of course, you're also going to not get as much rain protection. So if it starts raining on you, you're going to probably get a little more wet on the arms, on the hands, upper chest. But, you know, I think that's a pretty good trade-off. I'm willing to do that. I think 90% of the time in the summer. So I think this will be my new, my way to ride in the summer, taking off the hand guards and the winglets. If I was going to do a really long trip, and the temperature would be fluctuating, or I think I'd be getting into some weather, I might put them back on. I'll have to actually ride them in the rain, ride it in the rain like this, and see how wet I get if it's much more. But I can certainly recommend this. I mean, what a quick, easy thing to do. A lot more comfort, better airflow. Now get out there and ride.